How do you market an online course without a huge following? Here's what the data says works. Email marketing consistently outperforms every other channel for course sales. Across 32,000 courses on our platform, most enrollments come from email, even when the creator has a much larger social media following. The list size that works is small. Many successful first launches on our platform come from lists under 300 subscribers. If you don't have a list yet, start with other people's audiences. Guest on podcasts in your niche. Co-host workshops with complimentary educators. Contribute to communities where your ideal students already gather. Each of those builds your email list, which becomes your owned audience over time. The highest ROI marketing is free. Skip the paid ads until your organic strategy is working. And don't worry about social media. It converts poorly for course sales compared to email and partnerships. For the 8 marketing strategies that work without paid ads, the launch timeline, and what to do if you have zero audience, links in the description.